Hello, this is Zainddin Ahmed. I am from Hyderabad. Recently, I slipped from the staircase and fall, so I twisted my knee there. And the first thing that came in our mind that Dr. Jawad is the good orthopedician. So we have recommended him and visited him, consulted him. He is a very good doctor, a good gentleman. He has gone through the whole procedure of the surgery, and he built us in the confidence we want to go further and perform this surgery as well. So everything was good, the experience, the staff and the medication, everything was good. So even though I have recommended many of my friends and relatives that they should visit this hospital, Germanten.
Myself, Mohammad Abdul Raheem, my son Mohammad Sakeem, when he was playing football, he got hurt on his left tibia knee, and we approached to several hospitals, but the confidence which we were given by the Jawad sir and all his staff regarding surgery procedure and overcome of the surgery, and the most important thing is that after surgery and after recovery, how we can perform our regular activities in life. That is the more efficient confidence the patient should get from a doctor. That I was being offered from here, and now my son has been very well, and he is walking. My nephew Mohammad Zainddin Ahmed, he was also got injured and all, so I am recommending him. I recommend German Hospital for all your further requirements and surgeries. Thank you so much.
Germanten, Germanten, Germanten.